Hello and welcome to our course, Data Product Management, Grow Your Career. This course is designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge to lead data-driven initiatives, manage data products effectively, and drive meaningful change within your organization. In this course, you will gain practical skill development through hands-on experiences in data product management. Learn best practices by understanding core values and principles, adopting the data as a product mindset. You'll gain strategic insight into defining capabilities, setting objectives and key results, and driving organizational transformation. And in addition, you'll obtain specialized knowledge for your career growth. In Module 1, we'll begin with the fundamental concepts of treating data as a product, including its life cycle, ownership, and quality. By adopting this mindset, you will learn how to drive innovation, improve decision-making, and enhance overall organizational efficiency. In Module 2, we'll dive into the 5 core values that are essential for data products. You'll gain a comprehensive understanding of these principles and practical methods to implement them in your organization. In Module 3, we'll explore various types of data products. You'll gain understanding into their application, which will help you to recognize the benefits they can bring to your organization. In Module 4, you'll learn how to apply product management principles to data product management, creating comprehensive product roadmaps and aligning stakeholders to ensure successful product development and launch. Module 5 covers the framework for setting and measuring OKRs to drive strategic initiatives. You will learn to identify and unlock key capabilities to achieve your organization's business goals. In Module 6, we'll cover how to establish SLAs, set KPIs, introduce new data sets and features, ensure data security, and manage access to your data products effectively. In Module 7, you'll acquire strategies for leading change within your organization. We're going to focus on fostering a data-driven culture and overcoming resistance to new data initiatives. You'll also learn practical steps to elevate your career, including personal branding, skill enhancement, and networking. In Module 8, we'll wrap it all up. We'll review and reinforce the essential concepts, skills, and principles covered throughout the course. You will engage in a final project that combines all learned concepts that'll demonstrate your ability to apply data product management principles to real-world scenarios. Thank you for your interest in data product management. Grow your career. We're excited to help you grow your career and make a significant impact within your organization. Let's get started together.